this recipe needs rice, cucumber, mayonnaise, crab sticks, cheese, cream cheese and money. We don't use fish and eggs, so it is simple and affordable.
First we cook the rice and let to cool down.
Then I chop with fork. Next, we mix crab sticks with cream cheese and mayonnaise. I put rice in a baking dish. We add the crab mixture on top. The cucumber. Now we put it in the oven. We bake it for about 10 or 15 minutes and cover cheese on the top. Delicious. Thank you for watching our video. This recipe is quick and easy. Perfect for students and busy people. Enjoy